Jamaica,
Taxi
watch
services
this.
in St. Elizabeth have resumed fully after weeks of uncertainty following the passage of Hurricane Melissa in October last year. And while the operators are happy to be working again, they tell us they're facing two major challenges: pressure from the Transport Authority and bad roads.
I've almost 5 months now since time blow, and I know they're not going to do it now. Can't see like this. It's a car, so if the exam come out per road per week. And we can't keep my front end because of the bad road. And exam come out and internalize it. Transport come the same thing. We can't take this no more.
All the roads in St. Elizabeth are in deplorable condition. Most of these roads become single lane with precipice. Some of these precipices up to 40 feet deep. Especially Ellerslie, the road to Magatti, the road to Carisbrook, the road to Black River, the road to Burnt Savannah, Holland Bamboo, Barton Elam heading into Balaclava village. There's not one good road.
They believe they're entitled to some relief from the Transport Authority given the months of displacement and inconvenience following the hurricane.
A lot of people still not live in a house yet. So we are trying to put ourselves back together to buy 2 sheet of zinc and buy tarpaulin and all of that. But Transport Authority and Examiner is on our back. Every week, Transport Authority, sometimes they are here. Every day of the week. Right now they are here.